walk and you saw someone pass out or completely unconscious, what would you do? Would you know how to react? Emergencies can happen at any time or any place, and you need to know how to be prepared for any case scenario. As college students, we should stay prepared. And I picked this topic because I've seen someone firsthand pass out in the park and completely unexpected, but thankfully the person next to me knew exactly what to do to handle this situation. So many people, including myself, completely froze because we didn't know what to do. And understanding these benefits of learning basic first aid with proper techniques used is so important to help avoid life-threatening situations, not only for us, but for others as well. The points I'll cover on this vital skill is what is first aid, how first aid can save lives, and the empowerment it has on people to act during emergencies. Many of us here have heard of the term, but what is first aid? According to OSHA, first aid refers to the medical attention that's usually administered immediately right after the injury occurs at the location where it occurred. It often consists of one-time, short-term treatment and requires little technology in treating to administer. There are many techniques that can be used depending on the injury at hand. And according to Cleveland and Clinic, it can be a minor assistance like cleaning up and bandaging a minor cut, or it can also be acting fast to help someone in a life-threatening situation. First aid is immediate care given to someone who is injured or suddenly ill before professional help arrives. It helps preserve the life, prevent situations from getting worse, and promotes recovery, making it easier and being prepared to act. Being prepared to act in those first few critical moments can be different between full recovery or a tragic outcome. And by learning the basics, you gain the power to save lives and bring calm to chaotic situations. One of the main reasons to learn first aid is that it can literally save someone's life. Depending on the person at risk, there are many techniques used to help each case scenario. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention recently reported 4,500 people drown in the U.S. each year, which is a significant increase from prior years. Many of these deaths could be prevented with immediate first aid or CPR. And additionally, the American Red Cross found that over 80% of adults out of hospital cardiac arrest are cardiac related, yet receive minimal help before the EMS arrive. Knowing first aid is not only about handling extreme emergencies, it's also about reducing the impact of injuries. And according to Mayo Clinic, they emphasize the prompt and proper treatment can reduce recovery times, improve outcomes, and such as like burns, cuts, allergic reactions. The stated statistics provide evidence that emergencies do happen more often than we expect. First aid training helps you turn your everyday person into a possible lifesaver, giving them the skills and confidence to step in when one's life could be on the line. The reality is clear. When emergencies strike, the outcome often depends on who's standing near and if they know how to do the task. First aid empowers ordinary people to step up and save lives in the most critical moments. Choosing to learn this isn't just smart, it can mean the difference between life and death. But perhaps just as powerful as saving lives, it has the empowerment it has on people to act during emergencies, giving them the confidence to step in, stay calm, and make real differences when every second counts. According to Red Cross, individuals who have gone through first aid courses report feeling more capable and less anxious in crisis situations. Imagine being able to help a choking child, comfort someone who's having a seizure, or just staying calm until help arrives. According to Doucette, when individuals know how to respond in an emergency situation, they're less likely to panic, leading to a more effective improvement. This combo of knowledge and composure is an individual for personal safety and well-being of the entire community. Each person trained in first aid is a potential lifesaver, ready to act when every second counts. The skills you acquire are not just practical, they are empowering, giving you the confidence to face emergencies calmly and competently. First aid does more than just equip individuals with life-saving skills. It empowers them to act decisively with confidence when faced with emergencies. By reducing anxiety and fostering a sense of capability, individuals are not only able to respond effectively and immediately to these threats, but also position possible essential members of a community's safety net. This empowerment is invulnerable as it ensures that in moment of crisis, people not freeze or panic, but instead make a calm and impactful difference. Therefore, first aid provides life-saving skills, but also empowers individuals to act calm and confidently during time of emergency. One's knowledge and composure can make a crucial difference in enhancing both personal safety and community well-being. Understanding the benefits of learning basic first aid with proper techniques used is so important to help avoid life-threatening situations, not only for us, but for others as well. Today, I've discussed what first aid is, how first aid can save lives, and the empowerment it has on people to act during emergencies. As college students, it's important to stay prepared for any life-threatening situations and be prepared with knowledge of first aid. But being put in this situation, watching someone desperate for help, finally being able to receive the help by a man with knowledge of first aid, really made a big impact, leading me to learn more in depth of first aid. It's a small investment of time for a potentially life-changing skill. So take a class, learn CPR, practice using a first aid kit, because the life you might save might be someone else's, or it could be your own.